Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, in honor of Juneteenth, I am going to be transforming this 4-day-old twist out into a colorful twist out using my Gemini Naturals in the color Cranberry, in the color Plain Jane, and then my hair paint wax in the color Aquamarine. So I'm starting off with the bottom layer of my hair with the hair paint wax in the color Aquamarine, and I'm just doing medium size 2-strand twist. Bottom layer all done, now on to the next. So now for my middle section, I'm going to be doing 2-strand twist using the Gemini Naturals in the color Plain Jane, which is just the clear color gel. Now that my middle section is done, on to the top layer. So for the top layer of my hair, I'm going to be also doing 2-strand twists, this time using the Gemini Naturals in the color Cranberry. If you are not familiar with Juneteenth, it is the oldest nationally celebrated commemoration of the ending of slavery in the United States. It dates back to 1865 on June 19th. So in honor of Juneteenth, I have decided to color my hair red, black, and green. So now that my twists are all completed, I am just going to let them dry overnight. But it's now the next day and my twists are dry and ready for the takedown. I cannot wait to see the results. But first, let's get into this definition with this Gemini Naturals in the color Cranberry. But wait, I'm not done. Plain Jane gives the same result. Last but not least, Bomb Definition from my aquamarine color from Hair Paint Wax. My twists are looking bomb. Now I'm going to separate and fluff. So here's my finished look. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next video. I also hope you take some time today to educate not only yourself, but your family and friends about Juneteenth.